You see that? Philippine code 63. Okay. Ayun. May nalano pa, 160 ko kata na ko. You got it? Hi, you got it, Johnny? Mi numero. My number is like this. Okay, okay. And again, let's cooperate. Go send again. Good afternoon, Kuya Bern. Okay. Send again. My number is Mexico. Thank you, Kuya Bern. Thank you so much. Can you send again? So I can type it. Thanks, Kuya Bern. Paul, I message you, Paul. DJ KK, message me. Mi numero is this. You said Mexico. Okay, send me, kiss me. Okay lang. Paul, send me, kiss me, Paul. Okay. Okay. You said Mexico. Okay, wait. Okay, I message you, Johnny. Paul, send me WhatsApp number, Paul. Thank you. Check WhatsApp, Johnny. Thank you, Johnny. Paul, do you have WhatsApp number? I would like your video. Kiss me, Paul, for video. Gotcha. Paul, send me, kiss me. Do you have WhatsApp number?